Hiding data is a really helpful feature to use to rearrange our Excel files. Hiding rows or columns makes our data temporarily disappear from view. It's especially useful when working with large spreadsheets when we want to focus only on certain rows or columns. Seeing more data than required can be distracting. To hide a column, right-click on the column and select Hide. Don't worry, your data is not lost. Column F is simply hidden from view. We can identify hidden rows or columns within our spreadsheet by looking out for any missing headings in our columns or rows, which will appear with a double separator like this. If you put your cursor on them, it will change into these extension arrows instead. To unhide columns, you can move your cursor between the column E and G grid references until it changes into the extension arrows. Then just double-click on the arrows to expand the hidden column. Alternatively, to unhide column F, you can select columns E and G, then right-click anywhere on these columns and select Unhide. If there are multiple hidden rows and columns on your spreadsheet, you can select the entire spreadsheet by clicking on the top left box or pressing Ctrl-A twice on your keyboard. Then, right-click anywhere on the worksheet and click Unhide. Wow, that was really action-packed. Thanks to Alia, we have learned much more than simply adjusting column and row size. We now know how to insert and delete rows and columns, move rows and columns, hide and unhide rows and columns, as well as apply these commands to multiple rows and columns at the same time. All of these functions are crucial to know when working with Excel. Now it's time for you to have a go at a few quiz questions followed by a mini challenge which will give you a chance to practice these techniques. Good luck!